This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Principles, their Data Tools Unit, Lesson 9, Permanent Data Storage, Puzzle 13. Test that. If you run your app now, you can add contacts and they will be saved to the database, but they will also show up locally in your app. That is until you restart it, right? They're only showing up locally, so they're being saved within the app's code, but nowhere else. So when we restart it, when we stop the application, no data is retained. And that's why we're going to learn how to use the cloud and how to grab that data back. But, well, it is being retained. It's being retained in the database. We just don't grab it back yet. So your code from as a final step for now, your code from the previous exercise is provided. Add a few new contacts to your app. Confirm you can scroll through them. In the data viewer, confirm those contacts were added to your database, okay? Restart your app, confirm the newly added contacts are no longer stored locally, which means you're not going to be able to see them. But they do exist in the database. In the data viewer, confirm those quote-unquote lost contacts are still stored in the database. All right, so we need to add some contacts. I'm going to start off with Builder, and Builder's phone number is 1-800-BOB. I have no idea what I should do for this, so let's say 7. And I do have an image URL. And yes, it is public domain. Oh no. Oh, it has quotes on it here. So, let's go ahead and hit save on this contact, and then we need one more, although that contact is excellent. So, one more, and I do have an idea. Popeye, phone number, 55, there's too many of those, 777, perfect. Birthday, well, Popeye's in the public domain again, because I checked that, and it is something around that, okay, and then I have already a image URL, hopefully, so let's go ahead and hit save contact. So I'm just gonna go through them right now, right, boom. I don't know if I mentioned I updated the friends photos, okay, alright, now the important part. And let's do this. My contacts. Bob. That was the one we added for in the last exercise. Friend 1, friend 2, friend 3. Build and Popeye. Okay? And their point is I'm going to hit reset. Bye, guys. And now it's only going to have the stuff hard-coded in, right? The stuff that is within the code itself, not all of this. And I think we're going to learn how to do that in the next exercise. So, awesome. I can't wait for that or the next lesson. Let's keep going.